Have you heard of the new community-based platform called Skool? Well, in this video, I am going to show you 8 different ways that you could use Skool to make $100 per day. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, you want to learn new ways to make money online, make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so if you're not familiar, Skool is an online community that is relatively new. If we take a look at my screen here, you can see that it has been gaining popularity over the last few weeks and months. This community was created in part by a well-known influencer named Alex Hormozi. He has a number of books out called $100 Million Leads and $100 Million Offers, and he's pretty popular over on TikTok. And so with that popularity, this is something that we could actually take advantage of this new platform. There's a bunch of different ways that you can use it to make money, and I'm going to show you all of those different ways. And so if you're not familiar, as I mentioned, Skool is one of those online course communities where you can upload information and stay in contact with members. You can do this for free. You can do this paid method. But what we're talking about today is how we can take advantage of this new opportunity as affiliate marketers. And if you're not familiar, you're brand new to my channel. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending other people's products and services. And in this case, Skool is going to be that product and service that we recommend. And there are, as I mentioned, a bunch of ways to do it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go over to the website skool.com like this, and then scroll all the way down to become an affiliate. As you can see, I just created a community myself, so yeah, we're going to log out. But once you are in Skool, hit enter, all the way down, click on affiliates, and you are going to request to become an affiliate. One of the cool things with promoting software as an affiliate is that you can earn reoccurring commission. So as long as someone that you refer continues on the paid membership plan, you can earn 40% reoccurring every single month. Now with Skool, the price, the price is $99 per month. So you would receive 40% of that $99 for eternity. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are finding high quality leads. You're getting them to sign up as an affiliate under you, and then potentially continue offer them support so that they continue on and that they make money so that you can make money. Now, as I mentioned, Skool can be free memberships or paid. And so start thinking about the types of people that might be interested. But let's go ahead and talk about different ways that I think that you could promote it and start seeing success. The first thing that you can do is you can hop on over to YouTube and you can type in how to blank in Skool. Now, people that are asking questions how to do something in Skool, they're either already a member of the platform and they're stuck and they're frustrated, or they're someone that wants to switch. Maybe they're on Kajabi or ClickFunnels, or they're on Mighty Networks, for example, and they want to make sure that Skool has all of the features that they have at the other place that they can simply transfer over to this new place. They want to make sure that it's easy. But if we look at this, how to blank in Skool, and we hit enter here, you can see how to use Skool.com for beginners. This is a step-by-step guide. This guy has 13,000 views, only 4,000 subscribers. This person below, 15,000 views, 16,000 subscribers. You can see there are lots of people, even this guy, 3,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. How to build free Skool.com groups to get rich in 2024. But what you can do is simply go through each letter of the alphabet to see what pops up. And so what you want to do, this might not yield anything, but this is always good to find those underserved or untapped markets. Okay, so I'm just running through here and I don't see other things, but people might be asking like how to build a community or how to create a post in Skool. But if we look at this, you can see that this one, 3,000 views, 247,000 subscribers. This is what I call bottom of the funnel. People know the problem, they know the solution, and the problem solution is Skool. So maybe how to create a course. How to create a course in Skool. Again, you can see 3,000 views, 7,000 subscribers. This is that same video, but most simplest step, easiest step would be to start at what's called bottom of the funnel. Another thing that you could do is you could hop over to Ahrefs free keyword research tool, and you could simply just type in Skool, hit enter. I wonder whether that was a capital L, but scroll through and see if there are questions that people are asking with the keyword Skool. Okay, so that's just one way. Another way that you could do it is you could simply offer unique bonuses. So you can target people that are already aware of Skool, but you can give them an incentive to sign up under you. Right now, based on my research, I haven't seen anyone offer incentives to use you as an affiliate. And so you could offer different incentives like one-on-one coaching. You could offer different bonuses like maybe a free workbook. You can offer a free ebook or planner. That is a really great way to get people to sign up. It helps differentiate and it helps people feel like they're getting more for the same, because there are a lot of people out there that are promoting Skool, but everyone everyone's promoting it the same way. You want to differentiate yourself. You want to give the customer or your target audience, make them feel like they are getting more value for the same price. And if they do that, they'll sign up under you. So you could say, hey, look, I just put together a free masterclass on how to do something in Skool, or I just put together a free masterclass on how to build a community. I put together a free masterclass or ebook or workbook on how to build your social media on Skool. And people are going to say, okay, I want that because it's something new and different. No one else is offering that. Let me sign up under them. So that's another great way. Another great way to promote Skool is to niche down. Okay. Right now, people are just like throwing their hands up and they're trying to grab anything and everything. But what if you helped gardeners build a community? What if you focused only on gardeners, or what if you only focused on people that want to grow on social media? So maybe you build a Skool community for TikTokers or Instagrammers. You build a niche community, and then you can tell them one of the best ways to build a community is simply using Skool, and then they can use you as an affiliate. One of the cool things with Skool is that if people join your community and then they wind up buying subscription to Skool themselves, you get the affiliate commission. So you could ultimately bring people in, very niche specific. You're teaching them how to build a community, again, focused on a particular group of people. Again, so you could focus on people that want to grow their social media profile, people that want to learn how to make money creating a course, people that want to build online courses, people that want to build online communities. There's a lot of options because right now, everyone is just being very general and very broad, and eventually that's going to dry up. But if you can niche down and you focus on a very specific group of people, that's going to help you grow even faster. So we've got offer bonuses, we've got niche down, and then we've got over here on YouTube is to actually create stuff at the bottom of the funnel. You could also create stuff at the bottom of the funnel over on TikTok. So if you did Skool tutorials on TikTok and then said, hey, if you wanted my masterclass on how to do everything you need in Skool, join my community, and then you have people join your community. But if you look at this, you can see Skool.com, 3,000 views, 6.2 million views about Skool. That might not be on target, but you can see people are asking, and we could do Skool tutorials like this. Again, there are a bunch of tutorials. Maybe it thinks I'm spelling school wrong, but you could simply create tutorials over on TikTok. But if we jump over on YouTube, another great thing that you could do is you could do Skool versus. Now look at this. You could do Skool versus Kajabi, Circle, Mighty Networks, Discord, Teachable, Thinkable. You could simply create a YouTube channel comparing the two different ones. And I think this is a great way to grow your YouTube channel for one, and to build a community with Skool. Now from here, you have two options. Let's say you create a YouTube channel where you are doing these different comparisons. You could either tell people to join your community, or you offer more information on how to do something in Skool. That's one way. So maybe you're targeting course creators, digital product owners, and coaches. Another thing you could do is you could actually send them right to the affiliate offer. You could actually bundle this offer Skool with something else, but there's so many different options. And for example, if we take a look, Skool versus Kajabi, 1.3 thousand views, 11,000 subscribers. This guy's actually known for doing all of these comparisons. Kajabi versus Skool, 23,000 subscribers, 2.8 thousand views, 668 views, 7,000 subscribers. Now, the great thing about this is that you don't need a ton of views here. You simply are getting very targeted views. These people know the problem. They know the potential solution or solutions plural. They just want to make sure that they are making their best decisions for them. But look at this, Teachable versus Circle versus Skool versus Kajabi versus Go High Level versus CC360. You could simply create this type of content where you're comparing and contrasting and giving real valuable information. 911 views, 1,000 subscribers. This is exactly what I think you should do. If we move up a little bit, you can see here best membership platforms is another way. Best membership platform or best membership sites. There you can see just like this, 16,000 views, 54,000 subscribers, 14,000 views, 20,000 subscribers. There are lots of these different opportunities. And if you understand what Skool does, if you understand what some of the competitors do, you can make different comparisons to help you get in front of a highly targeted community. Okay, another thing you could type in is something like how to build a community like this. And look at this, 37,000 views, 121,000 subscribers. Now this is going to be towards the top of the funnel, and this is going to be more competitive. Okay, if I open up my whiteboard, I just want to illustrate to you what I mean by top of the funnel versus bottom of the funnel. Okay, so everyone enters in at the top of the funnel for the most part. Okay, these people don't know the problem, they don't know the solution. They can enter into the funnel in a few different ways. They can enter in the funnel because they want to offer a better community, they want to offer a course platform, and so they start researching up here. People that are made aware of Skool, but they don't know if they should purchase it, might enter in right here where they're comparing Skool to their competitors. They're comparing how to do different things in Skool. So one thing that I always recommend new affiliates, they start off down here at the bottom of the funnel where people are actually searching the name of the product simply because it's closer to the money. Up here, farther away from the money, there's more people. They don't know what the solution is. Down here, they understand the solution. They just want to make sure it's right for them. So what I would do if I were just getting started with affiliate marketing is I would look to create content here. So Skool, how to make a post in Skool, how to upload a course into Skool. Right here is X versus Y. So Kajabi versus Skool. Right here might be the best online course platforms, or maybe Kajabi alternatives, Skool alternative. Up here might be best X for Y, best X for Y. So best online communities for beginners, best online communities for coaches, best online communities for course creators. Okay, the further you get up here, the more people there are and the more options. People up here are going to be aware of Kajabi, ClickFunnels, Builderall, you name it, they're going to be aware of all of it. Down here, they know the problem, they know the solution. That's why I teach all of my affiliate marketers to start off down here. Okay, another great way is if you have an email list. So if you already have, let's say 100 people on your email list, you can send them an email, let them know that you are going over to Skool to offer better service, to offer better community, to answer questions directly. And if some of those people get value from the Skool platform and then they sign up for Skool, then you can potentially make money. But what I recommend that you do is make sure that if you create a Skool community, make sure that you are teaching the benefits, you're showing how powerful the platform is so that you can actually make money from it. But I think the best thing that you can do, because it's still a relatively new platform, you can see that it's starting to gain popularity. Down here in February 10th, not that popular, but as we get on, as more people become aware of it, they're going to go over to YouTube and they're going to start asking questions. What is Skool? For example, if we type in what is Skool like this, you're going to see that there are a lot of people that are answering this question. 53,000 views, 160,000 subscribers, 39,000 views, 49,000 subscribers, 13,000 views. People are answering this basic question, 63,000 views, 12,000 subscribers. But in my opinion, the best way to get started is down here and build it out that way. Because you're going to start building a following of people that are going to ask questions. You can answer those questions, and then you can start competing for some of these more competitive. Now, how do I know that? I know that from my own YouTube channel. If we go over to my channel, I struggled a long time with being successful with affiliate marketing. In this video, take a look at my oldest videos. You can see a lot of these are not great. But when I started talking about a course called Income School, I started building a dedicated following. Some of these got 200, 300 views. This one, 622 views, 2.5 thousand views. Now, what you're looking at from 4 years ago was a channel that had less than 300 subscribers. But when I started creating content about the actual bottom of the funnel, so if we look at this, down here is Income School. These people know the problem. They want to start a blog. They're not sure which course to go to. And when I created content about Income School and my journey, I got people to sign up. It was $50 commissions at one point. It was $100 commissions at one point. It was 4 years ago, so I don't remember exactly. But if we look at this, I didn't get a lot of views. I had dedicated views. I had targeted views about people that knew the problem and they knew the solution. The problem was they wanted to start a blog or they wanted to buy a course on blogging. They didn't know if Income School was right for them. And so basically what I did is I just shared my journey of starting a blog and making money with it. I shared my trials and tribulations. And so that's how I know that if you start at the bottom of the funnel, you'll be able to build a dedicated following. You'll be able to start generating targeted views. If you look at this, once I figured out that that was the key, I basically just quadrupled down. Almost every video that I uploaded was all about Income School until I switched over to something else. But this is how you can be successful with this brand new platform. Not everyone that will know about it knows about it yet. And so you can start creating content at the bottom of the funnel, work your way up, work your way out, and you will find success. Now that you know how to get started with the Skool affiliate program, you may need a little bit more help with affiliate marketing. Watch this video next if you want to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step.